and everyone. So we are the reporter for eco-literacy. So first, we need first to introduce what is eco-literacy.
According to David R., indicate that knowing, caring, and practical competence from the foundation, he pointed out that the root of the environmental crisis are the individual inability to think about ecological pattern, the systematic causes, and the long-term effect of the human actions. To become a eco-literate person, we should be positive attitudes and values towards the environmental occur with a good knowledge.
In Forest Name, where whispers hide, eco-literacy essence lies, a tale of balance, ancient and wise, in nature's symphony it flies.
Each leaf that rustles, each river flow, teaches lesson both gentle and strong, of cycle endless where all life belongs. In harmony dance where all dance and all rocks.
Eco-literacy, a profound art, broaden in earth, a beating heart, to understand the world we're part, and nurture with a mindful start.
From the smallest ant to towering tree, in interconnectedness takes three. Eco-literacy helps us see, web of life sets us free.
With humble eyes you come to know the impact of each step we sow. On lands we borrow, not own to show. Respect for life when eco-literacy's glow.
So let us learn with open mind, to thread with care are our paths aligned. In stewardship, our hearts entwine, eco-literacy at its kind.
This activity will called Classroom View. It is a classic quiz show based on a survey responses. There are answers to questions, but the top answer, the most points, the teacher will divide into two classes, which is the group 1 and 2. Number 1, each group leader needs to clap their hands. And dapat, bago kayo mag-clap ng hands ninyo, dapat sasabihin ko muna. And then, kung sino makakuha ng bata, siya ang unang magka-clap ng hands niya. Number 2, each team tries to collect the most points. Bawat sagot ninyo ay merong nakalaang points. Doon na kayo maglalabanan kung sino yung pinakamaraming points, siya ang mananalo. Number 3, points are collected at team 5. Find the answer to question on the board. So let's start the game. Yay! Group 1, ano po ang pangalan ng inyong grupo? Group Digital Literacy. Yeah, Digital Literacy. Group 2, ano po pangalan ng grupo ninyo?
Virgin Mary.
Next! Ano, alam mo ka muna sila, tapos ito muna.
Ganon.
Yes! Very good! Very good.
Hindi! Magsasama pino ng
Huwag na! Huwag na! Ako ako!
So let's start the game. The question is, what are the 5 environmental issues that we are facing today?
Hindi magka-count, tapos hintayin pa natin. Wala ka.
Oh, this is the question. What are the 5 environmental issues that we... Wait lang!
Pwede!
Magkakawin muna po kami ng 1, 2, 3, 4, mga paper, mga... Okay.
Wait. Mars, cut mo.
Here. Yes, got it? Oo. Dito na magkakount na po na. Dito kami magkakount, okay? Oh. Wait lang. What are the top 5 environmental issues that we are facing today? 3, 2, 1, go back! Nasa top 1 to
60 points na kami.
60 points! Virgin Mary!
Last one!
Last one! What are the top 5 environmental, top 4 environmental issues that we are facing today? 3, 2, 1, clap!
Dalawa pa! Sorry!
El Niño? El Niño? Wala po. Siri, La Niña. About waste management.